Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about the AGM Mini Exercise Bike, a compact and versatile way to stay active even while you are working or relaxing at home. So why would you want a mini exercise bike? If you are like me, spending hours sitting at a desk can make you feel a bit lazy. That's where the AGM Mini Exercise Bike comes in. It allows you to get some low impact moment in even while you are doing something like typing, reading, or watching TV. Well, it's perfect for those who want to add a bit of exercise to their daily routine without making a huge time commitment. So let's take a look at some key features of this bike. The adjustable resistance. You can easily increase or decrease the intensity of your workout by twisting this knob. So whether you want a light warm up or something a bit more challenging, this bike can handle it. Another great feature is the built-in LCD display. It tracks your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. It's a simple but effective way to keep track of your progress, especially if you are trying to stay on top of your fitness goals. One of the biggest selling point of the AGM Mini Exercise Bike is how versatile it is. You can use it under a desk for leg workout or on a table for your arms. It's perfect for anyone who wants a low impact full body exercise. Whether you are working from home, watching TV, or even recovering from an injury, this little bike fits right into your day to day routine. Honestly, it's a great for a variety of people. If you work long hours at a desk, it's a simple way to keep your legs moving. For seniors, it provides gentle low impact exercise. If you are recovering from an injury, it's a safe way to get your body back into motion. The AGM Mini Exercise Bike is an affordable, easy to use solution for anyone looking to add a bit more movement into their daily life. It's perfect for multitasking, recovery, or simply staying active during long work hours. If you're looking for a compact, budget friendly way to stay active, this mini exercise bike is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.